What up, this your boy SI. I know y'all been waiting for this. We already got one pushed in, but your boy went to AutoZone, rented the ball joint compressor. $150 to rent this. Really, AutoZone? Really? 150 bucks to rent this? A clamp and like some couplers? Like, that's insane. We already got the ESM lower ball joint pressed in already. Spherical, baby. Everything's still nice. So now let's go over to the other one and let's press it in. Get my little glove because I ain't trying to get my hands like crazy dirty. All right, I'll show you guys how to press in a ball joint. It'll be the same for any ball joint. Mine is just, you know, a 3-piece design. You got a hat right here, and the other piece I have out because I don't want to damage no threads or mess up anything. So yeah, so we set it like this to make this easy. Make sure it's flush, and also wait, before, make sure you have all the debris or any debris, let me see, out of this area right here. Make sure it's real smooth, because when I pressed my other one in, the side of my ball joint got kind of scraped, so it must have been some dirt or some type of metal fragment that was in there, but it's cool though. Make sure we in frame. All right, set that there. Make sure it's even. I got me some liquid wrench, you know, so I can slide down smooth. This over. That's in frame. Yeah, that's in frame. All right, cool. Size. Push that there. All right, cool. All right, connect your gun and go for it. All right, come on, come on. Something happened I did not want to happen. I just fucked my ball joint up. Things can never just go right. Now y'all see what happened there, right? Everything was just going perfect. First one, knocked it out. Second one, and as y'all can see from the footage, I fucked it up. At that time right there, like, y'all see my hand go like this, right? Dude, I was so furious and angry. And it seemed like also, right after that happened, right, I went right online to look for ESM lower ball joints, and it seemed like I can't find a site. It seems like I couldn't find no website to sell these. I mean, that sells these. Oh man, I just hate, everyone hates in the world that when things don't go right, bro. Like, I was furious. So let me show you guys what actually happened to that other one. You can see these right here, they screw in from the top. Let me see if I can get this one in. Come on, baby, come on. Okay, so now as you guys can see, or you already know, these right here twist in here. I know you guys like, wow, like you didn't kind of like scar at the top. This is the cap. So they twist in here like this. So basically what happened when I was doing the one that you guys seen, I messed up. This cap right here, when I was the top of this, when I was impacting it, say for instance the cap is halfway in, right? When I was hammering it, it misangled, like it was slid to the left a little bit, and it pressed the cap downwards past the thread, so it was wedged in the cap like that. There was nothing I can do to get that out. So now what I learned by installing these, you can install the ball joint with the cap already on, and then you can bag it out, which is going to be tight, or you can completely take the cap off, push it from the sides around the ball joint. And what I learned by doing it that way was when I try to put the cap back inside the ball joint, this outer area right here, the cap, the fucking, what is this called? The knuckle pinched the ball joint, so it was kind of, oval instead of completely round, how it came. So you're gonna be like, damn, this cap don't even fit. That's because the ball joint been compressed down. It's aluminum. This is steel, so it's gonna squeeze that aluminum. So the cap, when I was screwing the cap down, I was using the pliers. That's why it's scarred, but it's just the top of the ball joint, as long as the thread's not messed up. Now look, I was like, damn, this is taking, I don't know, this is real tight. They supposed to just screw in normally, smooth. So I'm like, oh shit, oh my gosh, what I do now, what I mess up. I'm like, the more I go and I'm twisting it with the pliers, right? I'm like, oh my gosh, I hope I'm not cross-threading this, because that's the last thing you want to do with anything that have threads, is cross-thread. So I'm like, shit, you know what? Fuck it, I'm just finna just go for broke. I got no choice now, because pressing the ball joints back out is a task. So I'm going. So it's like I'm creating, the ball joint itself is out of round now that it's pinched in the knuckle. This is, obviously haven't been pinched down. So the more you twist this, the more it creates, this top creates threads inside the ball joint. So it's going to be tight. Make sure you don't strip the top of your cap. You see I was having a hard time, but I didn't strip it though. It's just scarred a little bit. But the cap will create threads inside the ball joint even more. And then the lower you go, it's going to be a struggle. But the lower you go, the more these threads dig into the ball joint threads, and then it gets looser and looser the more you back out. Almost like, like you're creating threads all over again. But so now we can twist the cap all the way on freely enough. I don't have to get, I don't have to get it completely stupid flush, but it's down there. It's like maybe like 1 millimeter of thread that's sticking out, but that's good enough. That's cool. Okay, so now that we have everything put together, got the wheel bearing pressed in. So let's put this bad boy on. Okay, so now that we're all finished, both sides, let me show you guys how the setup look. So right there, that's how you put on a Wilwood big brake kit. Real easy to change the brakes now, much easier. And yeah, everything's fine. So hopefully we'll be starting it soon. We gotta break the engine in and I gotta bleed the brakes. I bought some Loctite for that. Well, I had some Loctite already, but I ran out. I put them on those two calipers. I gotta put some on those two. I know y'all probably was like, hey, you didn't put no Loctite on the calipers. They tell you to put Loctite on them. So yeah, I just gotta go buy some more. And yeah, this your boy SR Rico. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hey, you want the power, but you gotta be able to stop, right? But yeah, I'm finna go clean up and put my wheels on. And I'll catch you guys in the next one though. Make sure you get your sun gaze on. I'm out. Peace. Welcome.